It's me, Maya Morrison. I'm back with a new video over these juicy twists. Okay, people, you already know. Y'all already know I've been doing this. I should have been that thing. I thought with a stupid thing, but they couldn't get past the last name. Okay, anyways, I'm sorry, y'all. Thank you for any new subscriber that is clicking on this video. Thank you for choosing my video. And you already know the OGs, any of the returning subscribers, I love y'all. I missed y'all. More videos on the way, and we'll get into that later, but right now we got to get into how I'm gonna hook y'all up and showing y'all how we finna achieve this look. So towards the end of the video, I will answer any or questions that majority of the time when I'm watching a video that I want to know. So let's get into this video, y'all. Okay, so you just need a few products. We need rubber bands. You need some scissors. Some hair ties. A comb. I prefer this type of comb because it's the easiest when you like trying to part. It helps with the grip. You need an edge brush and some less jam. Okay. Oh, here's my hair. And I am starting with freshly clean washed hair. I did put a leave-in moisturizer. All the products will be located in the description box. Right now I'm using some of that edge booster on my edges. I'm not placing it on anything else in my hair, literally just in the front. It's not good to mix with because it'll create like a white cakey type of paste. So just put it in the front and don't place it with any other product per se. And if you do, you gotta offset it with some Eco Styler gel or just another gel. So now that I have my hair laid, I did use the shining gem to like smooth the rest of the hair down. I'm placing in my crochet needle and I am taking 1.5 pieces of hair to add in, and then we're just simply twisting it down. I usually would say don't twist tight, but in this particular time, I feel like I did kind of twist a little tight. But basically, I just say that because you don't want it to get too tight, and then you go all the way to the end, and it like, what does it do? It's like a certain effect that it does on the twist that I don't really like. You want it to be like it's authentic in its authentic state. So just don't overly twist the hair. So after I apply like the product on my scalp, or I guess you would say the roots of the hair, I'll use a comb or edge brush to take that product down and to smooth out the base of the twist. So like, I don't know if y'all know, but I didn't used to do hair, but like now I'm semi-ly hairstylist as well, and obviously I specialize in only natural hair. But y'all, it be the ports for me. Like my videos with the porting, it has nothing on how cold I am in real life, unlike other people's head. It's just so hard to port your own hair. So like all the girls that like really can port their own hair like super like better than what I can, like shout out to y'all, because that's really hard. But on somebody else's head, I'm cold. I may even put in my work, y'all. When applying the rubber band, I cut off majority of the hair that was left just to make it easier to apply the rubber band. But after that, you can continue to cut the remaining hair that's needed for the desired look. And we will never forget about the baby hairs. And we are done, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely exhausted. Doing your hair just keep you tired. Honestly, if I feel like, if I ain't not do my own hair, I would just pay to get it done. Cause the inconvenience of how long it take when you just doing your own hair, unless you just got the time or whatever. I ain't even gonna lie. But anyways, so here are our twists. And I'll come back with a cute makeup look and telling like all the information that we need in regards to this hair. Okay, now that we at the end of this video, I want to answer a few questions for the girls who are like right now at the beauty supply place and they ain't got time to watch this video, and for some reason I left something out in the description box. So let me answer these questions for y'all. I used 2 packs of hair. It was the Zuri, I believe, water wave hair. That's some really good hair. I got it in the color like 1B. I would have got it even darker, but that's the only color that they had, and these are pretty dark. I love jet black hair. That's my thing. How long did it take? I can't even tell y'all how long did it take, because honestly it took a minute. Like personally, I feel like anybody who doing their own hair, like I would plan for 2 days, because you may get tired in between of doing your hair. Like some people could just do their hair like full out. I do my hair like 1 in the morning and expect to be finished by like, I don't know, whatever time. But like I started this at like 1 in the morning, and then I kind of was doing other things, making TikTok. So I ain't even finished, and I think I was like done at like 4:30. I was like, I'm done, you know, or like maybe even 5:30, and that was only probably like halfway in. I want to say the style at least took about, it took me over 5 hours. Like I don't know if I'm slow, maybe I am, I don't know, but it took me at least like 5.5 hours to do this hairstyle, maybe more. Personally I feel like it takes 2 days to do this, because ain't no way. I don't know. The cost, it only cost me $20 because I got 2 packs of the what was it, the Zuri hair, the water wave, and it's $10 a pack. So it only costs $20 for this hairstyle. I have 31 parts in my head. I don't know how I managed to do that, because last time I got some locks, I feel like I did the same thing. So I only have 31 passion twists in my head. How long will the style last? I don't know, maybe like up to 2 months. Last time I had my twist, but I had mine like super long, and I kind of took it too far. I wore mine like probably over 2 months. I got them in November, December, January. I wore mine almost 3 months probably. That's not really good, because when I was done with that, like my roots was like stuck. But that's a good video that I got for like how to like untangle your hair if like once your hair grow out or whatever. Anyways, I'll get into that later. Anyways, and then the maintenance of this. So you just need a scarf, like any type of head scarf, and a bonnet. A bonnet probably is your best thing, just because you'll be able to put your twist in and they won't get like frizzy. But I only have a scarf right now, so I would just say a scarf, or at least have like a silk pillow. That's always a curly girl favorite, or like a necessity, I'll say. So I think I answered all the questions. Yep, right? Is there any other questions? I'll be at the end of people, because I'll be watching people at the end of people videos, and I'll be just like, what am I missing, you know, or like what they missing, or what I'm like, I have to go in the comment section and I have to read about it. But I think I answered all of you all's questions, guys. I think it's only one piece of advice that I want to leave you off with, because I know I haven't talked to you in forever, so this is just people who got extra time to watch my video. Anyways, basically what I wanted to say, what's on my heart, is to keep going. No matter where you at in life right now, I don't care where you at in life right now. I want you to know that you are more than loved and you are more than worth whatever dream that you have. Never give up. You are never too old. I want you to know that anything right now that you think is working against you, regardless of, like, you could say maybe lack of education, or say lack of finances, or just say lack of health, or just anything, or stress that's in your life right now, don't let that be the determining factor of why you feel as if you can't be successful, or why you can't go out after your wildest dreams. Allow that adversity to be the motivation to keep going and be the reason as to why you will be successful. So I just wanted to leave that message with y'all because it was on my heart, and I always love giving messages. I miss y'all. To whoever stayed long enough to watch the end of this video, I don't know who needs that, but I just want to say is keep going. Y'all amazing. I love y'all. Make sure you drop some comments in the comment section if you miss me or if this video was helpful. I'm not gonna be long-winded because I know y'all don't like that. Okay, y'all, get into these juicy twists. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, comment, and until later, you all, bye.